Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nelia, and on behalf of MAG, it is my pleasure to welcome you to the MAG 2025 Annual Performance Update.
Before we speak about our performance, ladies and gentlemen, it is important to reflect on the decision that shaped it. In the later part of 2024, we made a deliberate decision to reduce capacity across our airlines by approximately 20%. This was not a reaction to short-term pressure, but a conscious and necessary reset. We entered 2025 with a clear priority to execute with discipline and ensure that we operate well. Throughout the year, this focus translated into more stable operations, more dependable schedules, and a responsive organization. Against this backdrop, I'm pleased to share the Malaysia Aviation Group delivered a stronger financial performance in 2025 compared to the previous year, recording our fourth consecutive year of operating profit. For the financial year ending 2025, the group recorded a net income after tax, or NIAT, of 137 million, more than double the 54 million achieved in 2024. Our earnings before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization, EBITDA, of 1.6 billion, marking a significant improvement from 788 million in 2024. Our total group revenue grew by 14.5 billion, representing a 6% increase year-on-year, driven by a sustained travel demand, network optimization, and disciplined commercial execution. As we move through the year 2026, conditions will remain fluid and unpredictable. This reinforces the importance of staying disciplined, agile, and prepared, not just to withstand volatility, but to emerge stronger from it. The discipline we built in 2025 now gives us the confidence to navigate uncertainty while positioning ourselves to grow decisively when the opportunity arises. The decisions we made over the past years have allowed us to rebuild on stronger foundations and positions the group for a long-term and also a sustainable growth. As a group, we have gone through turbulent times, but time and again, we have demonstrated our ability to adapt, recover, and move forward with strength and purpose. To our partners, stakeholders, and also members of the media, thank you for the continued trust and support.